My brother's truck. That shit is big as fuck. Beginning to the vlog. Well, it's Christmas Day. We already celebrated yesterday, but I'm gonna pull up to my cousin's house, Pepe. Inside. It's a fucking, I think it's a 13 speed or something. Hold up. Yeah, it's gotta be a 13 speed. The switches are on the side. But yeah. Shout out Pepper for the ice cream. Yup. Whoa.
Hey, you did that shit, bro.
We out here at Pepper's room. We out here at the meet. So pretty much, Brandon whipped it at the fucking meet.
Fucking dumbass. What are they gonna do? You're fucking. Now they can't even come back. Now we.
I don't even got my seatbelt on.
I post up, G.
Oh shit. Oh fuck.
I can't.
Oh!
Now the cops are coming. Let's go home. You ruined the whole meet. You ruined the whole meet.
Bro, the
So
challenger.
like straight rubber there.
Yeah, nah. Oh shit.
Okay. You're scaring me, dog.
They're looking at you.
I'm gonna go home.
No, nigga. Chill, bro. Yeah. That shit was kind of crazy because when we went back, everybody was looking at us, so we dipped.
Day 2.
I got a new haircut, guys. You know how crazy my fucking hair was before? Nah, it's chilling. I'm calling Brandon right now, but we're gonna go to King's. And yeah, I'm gonna cruise it with Brandon. It's just I'm waiting on his ass. And also, we gonna see a Z. We gonna see a 350Z. It's my homie Mannys 350Z, and I'm sure you guys did. But we're gonna be cruising, so fuck it, might as well, you know, record and show you guys just a little cruise for the day. And today was pretty much a vlog, just showing you guys a mixture of some things. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Woo! Manny Z. Why are you lonely, Manny? No passenger princess. No toxica. No toxica in the car. Uy! A la verga. What's up, man?
Princess is messy.
Huh?
Passenger princess.
Passenger princess not there. Damn. Oh shit, it's right there. Damn. Oh yeah, I'm gonna pick up Brandon and Julian. Just follow me, alright?
Alright.
Alright, for sure. Over here, got Julian, Brandon. Yup. So yeah, recently put these shits on again. I had to buy new ones, so we got new lights. Still got the same old. Oh, there you go. It looks like we're in a strip club, dude.
Oh yeah, turn on this one too.
Yup.
Hello.
You're gonna make Mikey whip the car? No, I'll go start it for you, you know.
Tripping already.
What's this? You got a remote start on this?
Nah, those aren't even my keys.
Nah, those are your keys, man.
This nigga bumped into me. This nigga hit me. This nigga fucking hit me, bro. Bro, nigga, when you almost hit the fence, this foot just came flying to my side. Bro.